Hello everyone, welcome to my boxing channel, Box Other Things. This is Rue, and today we got another tech unboxing to do, and this is a really exciting one. This is the ROG Phone 5S Pro. We're gonna take a look at the box. We've got their signature diamond shaped box. It's the ROG Phone 5S. Public of Gamers, Snapdragon 888 Plus, baby. Oh yeah. ROG Phone 5S. ROG Phone 5S. Side. Got the ROG logo. Oh, I think the box looks so much better without this ugly plastic. So, another quick look through. Okay, so I don't know which is the front. I believe this will be the way. Oh yeah. So it folds out like this. And you have their signature manga strip, which in turn does give you some VR effect. We'll go through that later. So flip this over, and we have the arrow cooler. Flip this over, and of course, got the phone. We'll put this aside first. Nice embedded ROG logo right here on the box. So this teaches you on how to attach the arrow cooler to the phone. Here it is. This arrow cooler works as a kickstand as well. So there's a kickstand right here. And the most awesome part of this cooler is it doubles as a trigger button as well. Look at that. Pretty nice update from the other previous versions. They have rubber paddings right here. Pogo pins. Okay. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, all the other accessories are here. So we've got the charge 65 volt brick, braided USB-C cable, and some extra pogo pins. What in the world is this? I know these are the pogo pins. I mean, these are the pogo pins, protector, rubber. So what do we have from here? For those who dare. So I guess these are the documentations. We got a SIM injection tool, ROG design. We got another little case here. Okay, these are the free case that they provide, plastic case. The previous case that I had for, oh, this texture is pretty nice. It has a very nice ROG 5 type detail going through the lines here. Okay, documentation and stickers. The best part about all this is the stickers. I have no idea why they give you stickers. So this is the phone. sure I'm supposed to tear something out. Oh, it says here USB Type-C port. Does it say anything else? No, it doesn't say anything else. Okay, this is the volume button right here, power button right here. Nice OLED screen. 144 HDR10 800 nits. Peak at 1200 nits. Brightness screen is about 6.78 inches. About 82% screen to body ratio. Resolution goes up to about 1080 by 224 48 pixels. Pretty good. So this is the SIM card area. This is the pogo pin. Nothing here. Nothing here, right? Of course, we got the front-facing speakers right here. Charging port, and look at that. 3.5mm jack. And so we got the camera setup right here. This is a triple camera setup. Air triggers on these two sides of the phone, and extra 2 triggers here. Pretty awesome. This is ROG 5S Pro. It comes with Android 11 ROG UI. This is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus. It's a 5G phone. It has octa-core CPU and a GPU of Adreno 660. There's no memory card slot for this phone, but it comes with an internal 512 gig of ROM and a beast of 18 gig RAM. I've chosen the gamer aesthetics for the phone UI. And oh yeah, of course, this phone comes with a 600 mAh battery. It's separate in 2 parts, 3000 each on front and back, CPU in the middle. Okay, so the other thing I want to show you guys, of course, is the ROG Vision. It changes to any kind of design that you like, as far as I'm concerned, which looks super awesome. It's crazy. That's the unboxing for the ROG 5S Pro, because it's a Malaysia set. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.